Okay, we got 336 spring snow coming in.
We thought you were the homeowner. What you got here? This is nice, man. I'm already thirsty.
Really nice.
Nice backyard.
Nice open ceilings.
Whoa, look at these booties, man.
Kitchen.
These are serious.
Yeah, you can commentate. I'll probably.
Your buyers are probably gonna be like, who's that loud?
Got some nice floors.
Right, so it's right on, what is that street?
Yep.
Oh, what a nice tub. I love that tub. I'm gonna stay here and take a hot bath. You guys
Yeah.
can come back and get me later.
Sounds good.
Kidding.
Master.
Dresser. It's very cute. Looks like brand new carpet.
Bedroom. Bedroom.
Unfinished basement with